नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांट से दो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग पोर्शन आल्सो। क्योंकि इस पोर्शन में आपको सिर्फ अपने बेसिक मैथमेटिकल एंड न्यूमेरिकल स्किल्स को काम में लगाते हुए आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना होता है। तो ज़्यादातर एग्जामिनर्स इस पोर्शन में अच्छे स्कोर्स लाते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहले हम देख लेते हैं कि पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है। In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends as angle 72 degree at the center. Then we need to find the length of that arc. तो चलिए इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं। We know that the formula for length of the arc is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Here the value of theta is 72 and the value of r is 21. Okay, therefore we get 1 by 5, 2 into 22 into 3, which results in 26.4 centimeter. Therefore the option D is the correct answer. तो चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और दूसरे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं। The x-intercept of the graph 7x minus 3y equals to 2 is what? We know the intercept form of any straight line. Okay, and this is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Visualize as this, where the coordinate of b is a comma 0 and the coordinate of a is 0 comma b, and this is the straight line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Okay, now here we are given 7x minus 3y equals to 2. Therefore we can write it as x divided by 2 by 7 minus y divided by 2 by 3 is equals to 1, or we can write x by 2 by 7 plus y divided by minus 2/3 is equals to 1. So the straight line looks like this. The straight line looks like this. Positive coordinate as x-axis and negative coordinate on y-axis. Therefore the straight line looks like this. The coordinate of b is 2 by 7 comma 0 and the coordinate of a is 0 comma minus 2/3. Therefore the x-intercept is 2 by 7. Okay, therefore the right answer is option B. So we have solved two of these question, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quant, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us. You can WhatsApp us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.saurabhsclasses.com. Thank you very much.